Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are incredibly common, especially among women. They can be painful, disruptive, and unfortunately, they often return. If you've experienced a UTI, you know the symptoms. Frequent urination, a burning sensation, cloudy or even bloody urine, and pelvic discomfort. A significant number of women, about 25 to 30%, face a reinfection within just 6 months. So why do UTIs keep coming back? The main culprit is often the E. coli bacteria, which spreads within the urinary tract. Factors like delaying urination, poor hygiene, sexual activity, or certain health conditions can all increase your risk. But here's the good news. You can significantly reduce the chance of recurring UTIs with simple, natural practices. Let's explore 7 proven ways to prevent First up, increase your water intake. Drinking more water means you'll urinate more frequently. This helps flush out bacteria before they can even cause an infection. Tip: aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Studies have shown that women who increase their fluid intake reduce their UTI risk by nearly 50%. Next, don't delay urination. Holding in urine gives bacteria more time to multiply. Over time, this can even weaken bladder muscles, making it difficult to completely empty your bladder, which further increases infection risk. Tip: listen to your body and urinate regularly. Snack on fruits and veggies to help you drink more water. Number 3. Practice good hygiene. Proper hygiene is key to stopping bacteria from entering the urinary tract in the first place. Tip: always clean the genital area after sexual activity. Choose breathable cotton underwear, and try to skip long baths, which can sometimes spread bacteria. Avoid irritating products. Harsh soaps, sprays, or scented products can upset your body's natural bacterial balance and cause irritation, making you more susceptible to infection. Tip: use mild, fragrance-free cleansers and avoid perfumed sprays near the genital area. Moving on to number 5. Eat probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics introduce healthy bacteria into your system that can fight off harmful organisms and help protect your urinary tract. Tip: include foods like yogurt, curd, and other fermented foods in your diet, such as rice. Next, don't forget to empty your bladder after intercourse. Urinating after sex helps to flush out any bacteria that may have entered the urethra during activity. Tip: make it a routine to urinate within 30 minutes after intercourse. And finally, number 7. Wear the right clothing. Tight, non-breathable fabrics can trap moisture, creating a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Tip: always opt for loose-fitting clothes and cotton underwear that allow your skin to breathe. Final thoughts: UTI reinfections can certainly feel frustrating, but remember, small daily habits can make a huge difference. Stay hydrated, maintain good hygiene, choose gentle products, and nourish your body with probiotics. Have you tried any of these tips to prevent UTIs? Share your experience in the comments below.